How to scan both sides of an ID card on one page using iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan both sides of an ID card onto a single page using your iPhone. You don't need any third-party apps. Everything is done with the built-in Notes app. Let's get started. First, open the Notes app and create a new note. Tap the attachment or camera icon, then choose Scan Documents. Place the front side of your ID card within the camera frame and let your iPhone capture it automatically, or tap the shutter button manually if needed. Next, flip the card over and scan the back side the same way. Before saving, you can adjust the borders, apply a filter, or rotate the scans to make them look clean and professional. When you're happy with the result, tap Save. Your scans will be saved as a PDF inside the Notes app. Now tap the Share button and then select Print. In the Print options, choose 2 pages per sheet under the Layout settings. The preview will now show both the front and back of your ID card combined onto a single page. Finally, tap the Share button again to save the new PDF, send it through mail or messages, share it with another app, or print it directly. And that's it! That's how you can scan both sides of an ID card onto one page using your iPhone without installing any extra apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials.